This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on effectively managing and navigating the roster management page. You will learn how to filter and view shifts. On the roster management page, you will find the staff and client filters at the top. You can click on either to filter the roster by client or by staff. You will notice the shift creation button. By clicking this button, the shift creation form will appear, allowing you to directly add shifts. Here is today's button. If you are navigating to any of the pages, you can click here to jump directly to today's date. In the top right corner, you will find 3 types of filters. The default roster is set to week. By clicking on fortnight, you can view the roster for the entire fortnight. If you wish to see the roster for the month, you have 2 options, compact and list. Selecting compact will display the complete compact roster for the month. If you navigate to the list, you will view the roster in list format. You can drag the sliding button to view the complete roster. Thank you. If any further query, feel free to reach us at support@hpaplus.com.au.